Is how to combine a line graph and column graph in Microsoft Excel. Open up your sheet. Now, as you can see in my sheet, I have this data that I would like to convert into graph and line graph. For that, all I need to do is select this part and then go to insert, go to charts and click on this one. Now select a 2D chart. Here right click it and click on select data. Now click on add. In series name you have to put average rainfall, and on the second one you have to put the range. Now click OK. Now our graph is ready. Now in order to change bar graph into line graph, right click on the orange bar. Here now you can change your column into line.